Hi mates, welcome to my YouTube channel again, World of TREDEC. In this case I will review this wonderful model. It's a desktop model. It's a SNAP-TITE building, so it would be easy for the people who don't have enough patience to build model kits, taking a month and month to build. This would be built in just 5 minutes or less. It's a Hawker 800XP in the 1/64 scale, made in China, but it is with high quality finishing. Very glossy and shiny. Distributed by MODELCRAFT Inc. This is the brand which manufactured it. I don't know the year of manufacturing. I think it is from the early 2000s. Email info@modelcraft.com. This is I've got two boxes, but one of them is still wrapped in its original clear cellophane, and I have to read this warning: not suitable for children under 8. Under 8, I assume 8 years old. Collector item, not a toy. Okay, this is not for playing. This is just for display in a desk or in a shelf. Well, this is the sealed box, and this one is open already, but keeping partially the clear cellophane. I will open it up and show you how the pieces are inside with the plastic bags. It's got just 8 pieces, nothing else. 8 pieces. This is the display stand with the support. This is the main fuselage, very beautiful. The main wings with the tail, and another bag with the top of the tail with the wings. Look at the finishing, beautiful finishing. I like the shiny surfaces and very smooth surfaces, and a pair of turbines, beautiful, already painted, sorry, with inner fan and the exhaust part. 3 pieces here. Let's take the wings out from the bag. It's piece number 4, the tail 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Sorry, it was 9 pieces. I will start with the display stand. The display stand got the name of the aircraft, the Hawker, and by pressing the parts you will get the display stand already finished. Voila, it's a snap. The main body got 2 kind of holes with this shape, both sides. You should calculate the same shape of the wings and put them by pressing, just pressing hard to the space, to the hole, and you see, voila, the aircraft is almost done. Let's put, or let's join the, or press the turbines. Very carefully done, and other one. Oops. Okay, that's perfect. I will describe the stripes. It's with midnight blue with brown or reddish brown in the middle, and with the logo, Hawker logo, and in this area next to the main door. Let's go with beautiful tail by pressing. Let's try. Look at this space, the right space, place, sorry, and it shows to continue the stripes, the sign, and you have to be very careful with the top of the tail, and press directly to the support display stand. So as you see, this is the aircraft already built. It's a SNAP-TITE by pressing pieces like a Lego or something like that, if you want to compare with that. That's a rear part, the turbines, the US registration November 800 X-ray Papa. Wonderful aircraft. I will put this way, maybe this way, like it is taking off, or yeah, taking off. No landing gear, so that's it. Beautiful aircraft. So this is all what I could say about this review. It is easy, completely easy for impatient people. So that's all about it at this time. So let's go on to the next review, and please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. That's very important in the videos. So I will be posting more desktop models in order to make short reviews. Well, thank you very much for your attention, and let's go on to the next review. Bye bye.